Ever feel like faces just fall apart the second you turn the head? Yeah, I've been there. But today, I'll show you the trick that fixes it, no matter which way the head turns. It's simple, so don't skip. Watch till the end. Let's draw. Be honest, you've seen this 100 times. A circle, a few lines, and somehow it becomes a face, but you're still thinking.
Wait, it's just a circle. How am I supposed to know which way the head is turning?
Relax, Dustin, I've got you. We'll build it one step at a time, and it all starts with this circle. Now this is a 3/4 view, with the head turning over the shoulder, but there's one small problem. All that hair is hiding the real shape of the skull. So, let's give her the fastest haircut in YouTube history. Yep, completely gone. Don't panic. Hair grows back very fast in editing. Now we can clearly see where the circle belongs. It starts at the true top of the skull and extends down to the upper jaw. And because the head is turned, notice how much of the skull sits behind the face. If you draw the circle too small or place it too far forward, the entire head will look crushed. Once the circle is in the right place, everything else becomes much easier. All right, hair back. See? I told you she'd be fine. Before we move on to the next step, here's a quick reminder. The complete Loomis method course is now 25% off for a limited time. The course takes you from the very basics all the way to mastering the Loomis method, helping you understand and draw every head angle with confidence. To get the course, simply click the product image you see on your screen, or use the link in the pinned comment. All right, back to the drawing. First, locate the center point, the spot directly between the eyebrows, and mark its position inside the circle. Place a small plus sign over that point. From this mark, draw a horizontal line that passes through the eyebrows and continues toward the top of the ear. This is called the brow line. Next, draw a vertical line from the same mark, dividing the face into 2 halves. Now let's create the side plane. For its width, start at the outer end of the eyebrow and extend it to the outer edge of the circle. For its height, make it about 2/3 the size of the main circle. Don't make it too large or stretch it too far. Now we need to divide the vertical center line into 3 equal sections. The first line at the top is the hairline, and it should align with the top of the side plane. The distance from the hairline to the brow line gives us our first section. Repeat that same distance below the brow line and draw another horizontal line. This is the nose line, and it should align with the bottom of the side plane. Now we have 2 equal sections. Repeat the same distance one final time to locate the chin line. That gives us 3 equal sections: hairline to brow, brow to nose, and nose to chin. Next, connect the chin line to the circle on both sides to construct the lower jaw. This is one of the simplest parts of the basic head structure. Now I'll add a few loose guidelines for the neck and the beginning of the shoulder. Keep them simple for now. We'll define them more clearly in the next steps. These 2 diagonal guidelines help us determine the width of the mouth. They begin near the inner edge of the side plane and travel down toward the chin, one on each side. All that's left is to block in the facial features. Draw a small circle for the tip of the nose, then add 2 oval shapes for the eye sockets. Place the mouth exactly halfway between the nose and the chin. The ear sits inside the outer quarter of the side plane, exactly where we usually place it. And now you're ready to draw the features. You've already completed the hardest part, the construction of the head.